Good day, Rotary World! Truly, this is an exciting event where we get to participate in a 24-hour, non-stop live stream celebration of Rotary's 120th Charter Anniversary. Running in its 5th year, the sun never sets in Rotary signifies Rotary's continued commitment to doing good to the world. Our District 3830 represents the Philippines, and in the next hour, together we will discover the magic of Rotary in our country. To kick off this segment, we will hear a special message from RI President Stephanie Orchik herself, and to be followed by a warm welcome from our District Governor, Presi Yulo. Thereafter, our very own past RI Director, Guillerto Mangan, will deliver an inspirational message marking the significance of this event. Then, past District Governor Johnny Yu will discuss Rotary's Inter-Country Committee in the Philippines. Focusing on how Rotary does its magic in the Philippines, we will hear relevant updates from our leadership on some of the priority projects that continue to create ripples of hope. District Governor Presi Yulo will be talking about maternal and child health advocacy, the fight against adolescent pregnancy. District Governor-elect Reggie Nolido will talk about Rotary homes, providing safe, sustainable housing to communities in need. And District Governor nominee Jas Limon will cover street children in the Philippines and Tuloy Foundation. So, we hope we will be able to mesmerize you all with the magic works of Rotary in the Philippines. Together, let's continue to connect, inspire, and serve. Thank you.